Divide 7 over 8 divided by 2.5. Whenever dividing a fraction by a mixed number, the first thing you're going to want to do is turn that mixed number into an improper fraction. How do I do that? Well, take the 2 in front of 2.5 and multiply that to the denominator of 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now add that to the numerator of 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, and you end up with 5 over 2. Now drop down everything else, 7 over 8, divided by, and then we have 5 over 2. Now we have a fraction divided by a fraction. Whenever you have a fraction divided by a fraction, you're going to use the rule keep, change, flip. What does that mean? That means you keep the first fraction, you change divided by into multiplication, and you flip 5 over 2 into 2 over 5. Now that we have two fractions being multiplied together, we can multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 5 is 40. Now you may notice both of these numbers are even, which means we can simplify this fraction. How? Well, divide the numerator and the denominator both by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 40 divided by 2 is 20. You can't simplify anymore, so our final answer is going to be 7/20.